Hi friends, here now today we see the standard symbols. First symbol, that is fixed displacement pump. In that symbol this triangle indicates that there is a hydraulic symbol. Then second, pressure compensated pump. This symbol indicate that pressure compensated pump. Third symbol, variable displacement pump. Variable displacement pump. Okay. Then afterwards, fourth, bidirectional pump. In that there are the two directions. Okay, this is a bidirectional symbol. Then afterwards we can say that there is a air compressor. In that air compressor there is the symbol is vacant, so that it is a air compressor. Okay. Then cylinder symbol. Okay. In that first is double acting cylinder. First is double acting cylinder. In that this is double acting cylinder. It is a has two end, cap end and rod end. Okay. And afterwards single acting cylinder, spring return type unspecified. Means that return type is unspecified. It has only one end, inlet, which will move to a piston left to right, but return end is not specified. Okay. Then single acting cylinder. With spring return. Okay. In that it is cylinder, it has a spring. Okay, and it has one end. After that we can say that double, we can say that double rod cylinder. It is like double acting only, but it has two rod. It has two rod and inlet and outlet. Okay. Then telescopic cylinder, double acting. Okay, it is have some out figure. Okay, next, telescopic cylinder with single acting. In that same single acting. Okay, then there is in this type cylinder is kept at middle position. Okay, then there is a next type, hydraulic motor symbol. Okay, there is first fish displacement unidirectional. Unidirectional means only in one direction. Okay, then there is fixed displacement. Then there is fixed displacement bidirectional. Okay, bidirectional means it has a two direction to flow, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then there is a variable displacement bidirectional. Okay, it has two directional, and this is a variable direction symbol. Okay, then there is limited rotational bidirection. In that symbol indicates that it has a limited rotation direction. Pneumatic motor symbol. Okay, pneumatic motor means first it is fixed displacement, unidirectional symbol. Okay, unidirectional means it has only one direction, but this arrow is not dark. Dark arrow indicates it is hydraulic and empty arrow indicates that it is a pneumatic. Next, it is fixed displacement bidirectional. Okay, it is a bidirectional. It has a two end, but it has a no dark, so it is a pneumatic direction. Thank you for watching this video.